Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Cafe. My name is Mohammed Ali and let's start work on the admin section. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we need to create a new activity, new, and it will be an empty activity. So we can give this activity name as let's give it a proper name, that is admin new orders activity. Click on finish. So our new activity is launched successfully, and now let's close this cart activity and we need to go to the resource file for the admin home, sorry, to the activity admin category, okay, .xml file. And here you can see, I hope you remembered this. Now what we need to do is we need a button here at the bottom. After this linear layout, we can simply create a button. We can match parent, wrap content, and this button must be at the center, so we can say align parent end to true. Sorry, not end, it is align parent bottom. Now it is. Margin from all sides must be 20, will be good, 20 dp. And here let's give some id to it quickly, and we can say check underscore orders underscore btn. Now let's add a background to it, so color primary dark will be good, and the text will be check new orders. Text color Android white. Text size must be 20, will be good. Text all caps false. And let's move this text to a little bit above, so you can say 10 will be good. Yes, 10. And for this we can also say 10, and also let's change this one to 10, and the same we will do for the last linear layout, which is this one. And also let's change this to 10 dp. This is just a design, I mean whatever you like. And this is our check new orders button. Now we need another button, but before we do that we must give this. Okay, first let's create another button. Let's copy paste this code and let's change the name of it to logout, or we can say admin logout button. Now what I want is that I can simply change this button to this one. I mean, I do not want this one will be our logout button, I mean at the bottom, and this one will be our check order button, sorry for that. And the same here, we can say that is id, sorry for this mess. And also let's remove this extra spacing from here. Okay, so this will be our check orders button, which is already here. And now let's remove this align parent bottom true, and we can simply say layout above, and layout above id, and make sure to and paste this id here. So now you can see this, but one thing which we need to do is to remove this layout. Okay, and here we need to simply give it margin from the top. It must be 5, sorry, not from the top, we can simply give it left, and it must be 20. And the same we will do from the right, so we can say margin right 20 dp. Now let's copy paste this for this button. Okay, remove this margin and replace it with that. Okay, and here we can say margin from the bottom and it must be 20 dp. 15 will be good, and here we can say margin bottom 10 dp. That's it. Now let's change this, this text of this button to logout. So yeah, that's it. Now let's go to the admin category activity, and when the user click, first we need to initialize. First one is logout button, then we have check orders button. When the user here, first we need to say logout button equals to button admin logout button. Let's copy paste it quickly, and it is check order state check order button. Now what we need to do is that whenever user click on the logout button, click listener, then we must send the user to the main activity. So we are on the admin category activity, and we will send the user to the main activity, which is the first activity, the welcome activity basically. So we can simply say here that is main activity dot class. That's it. And now we can say intent dot add the object name, which is from small I dot add flag, intent dot flag activity clear task is pipe sign. Then we can say intent dot put semicolon, then we can start the activity for the intent, and then we can say finish. Now the next thing is the check order. So whenever the user click on this check orders button, then we are going to send the user, let's copy paste this quickly, paste that here, remove this finish, also this thing, and we are going to send the user to the admin add new products, admin check order, the check, which is this activity, admin new, I forgot the name, admin add new product activity. That's it. Now let's run the app. So the app is running now successfully, and we have to log out from here quickly, and we need to go to the admin portion, which is this button. Then we have to click I am an admin, and here I type the phone number, then password, and now let's click on the login admin button. So welcome admin, you are logged in successfully, and here we go. So if I click on this check new orders button, then it says unfortunately it's stopped, and we need to check what we did wrong here. I think it is because of the ID. So first of all, they say that is on a null reference, and I'm so sorry. Here, if you come to the admin category activity, I already told you that we by mistake this admin add new product activity. This is basically the activity. If I show you, this one, this is basically this activity, and we are not sending the user to this activity, we are sending the user, I just confused here, on this name, and that activity is basically our new activity, which is admin new orders activity and not the product. Okay, so we can say admin new orders activity and not that one, because here on this activity it retrieved the category name. Okay, so we are not sending the user to the add new products activity, we are sending the user to the admin new orders activity. I'm really sorry for this mess. So now let's run the app again, and hopefully this time the app will work. So the app is running now successfully, and let's go to the login. I am an admin, then the password, which is admin, and then let's click login admin button, and we are logged in successfully. Now let's go to check new orders activity, and here we go. This is our activity, which is empty for now because we have not add anything to our admin new orders activity. Here you can see this. And now let's check the logout button. So click on the logout button, and you can see this, it sends us to the main activity. So now the admin can log in back and do the things. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video, and in the next video we will work on our this admin new orders activity, where the admin will check that is if there is any order present or not from the users. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.